This video is sponsored by Envato Elements. Hello, all creative filmmakers. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a glitch transition in Premiere Pro without any keyframes. So, let's get started. Now, we are inside Premiere Pro. Here, you can see, I have already got two different video clips. In these two clips, I'm going to create a glitch transition. First of all, we have to create an adjustment layer. Go to the project panel. Then, right-click, New Item, and then, click on the adjustment layer. And, click on OK. Next, drag and drop this adjustment layer on top of the video layer. After that, move the playhead to the cut point between the two video clips. Next, I am going to zoom the timeline. Now, we need total of 2 frames of the adjustment layer. Now, from the middle cut point, move the playhead 1 frame forward. Next, cut the adjustment layer at this position. And then, remove this extra part of the adjustment layer. After that, move the playhead to the middle cut point between 2 video clips. Now, from the middle cut point, move the playhead 1 frame backward. Next, cut the adjustment layer at this position. And then, remove this extra part of the adjustment layer. Now, you can see, our adjustment layer is only 2 frames. Next, select this adjustment layer, and move over to the Effects panel, to add an effect. This is a wave warp effect. Now, drag and drop this wave warp effect into the adjustment layer. Now, we have to customize the wave warp effect a little bit. That's why, move over to the Effect Controls panel. Here, you can see the wave warp effect. First of all, from the wave type, we have to select Noise. Now, you can see all the changes in the program monitor. Next, we have to make the wave height value around 88. Next, make the wave width value around 516. Now, you can see the changes in the program monitor. After that, we have to make the direction value around 180 degrees. Then, we have to make the wave speed value around 12.5. Next, from the pinning section, we have to select all edges. Now, we are done. Here, you can see, our glitch transition is ready. As you can see, this is the perfect glitch transition for our video footage. Let's move over to the project panel to add a glitch sound effect. Drag and drop this glitch sound effect to the transition section. Let's preview. As you can see, this is perfect. Also, you can use this glitch effect as a video effect. Let's copy this transition and place it in this position. Let's preview. Now you can see, this is perfect. In this way, you can create a glitch transition in Premiere Pro. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like the video and leave a comment.